Hello and welcome to Tutorialspoint. Today in content marketing and mastering the various content marketing channels that we have got, we'll discuss about webinars. What are webinars, how webinars works, what are the tools that you can use to conduct a webinar. Let's get started with it. What are webinars in the first place? Webinars are seminars. Webinar is a presentation of lecture or a workshop delivered through a video conferencing software. The difference between a webinar and a seminar is very simple. A seminar that is conducted online is a webinar. The seminars and workshops that you conduct physically at multiple places, the same seminar, if you conduct it online through a video conferencing software, is what webinar is all about. And there are immense benefits of webinar in interacting and communicating with your audience, because you are not interacting with them physically but through online. Key features: interaction element, deliver, discuss and debate. All that you do in a physical seminar, you can do the same thing on webinar through online. You can discuss, debate and brainstorm on any particular topic, and you can deliver a lecture, you can deliver a workshop. Everything can be done on a webinar, and webinar is considered a very good marketing tool in a content marketing strategy. And let's discuss the various other points that are associated with webinars and how webinars actually work. A host initiates a webinar, sends out invites. If I am a host and I want to conduct a digital marketing webinar, what I do is I have the intended audience who actually might be interested in attending this free webinar. What I do is I send across an invite to them and tell them that this is the webinar that I am conducting, and these are the features of the webinar, these are the points that I am going to discuss, and these points will help you in your business or in your activity. If you are interested, you can actually attend the webinar. They actually show their interest, they click on that and they accept my invitation. Then what I do is I actually send them a username and password to log in into the video conferencing software on a particular date, on a particular time. Date and time is scheduled, then all users log in with a username and password. Host interacts, communicates and engages with the invites on that particular date, on that particular time, when everybody is interacting. And the best part of it is it has no boundaries, no borders, no geographies, no barriers. Anywhere people, you are sitting in, say, in UK, London, and you want to actually interact with people from North America, from Asia, from Middle East, from Africa, from Australia, New Zealand, anybody can actually log into the webinar, because there are no boundaries, no borders, and that is actually the best thing about the webinars. It could be an audio or a video webinar. You can actually give a video webinar, or you can give an audio webinar, and this is actually how a webinar is conducted online. A seminar that is conducted online is a webinar. There are many tools that are available for you if you want to conduct a webinar online to reach out to your intended audience and discuss a point and spread across a message. WebEx Cisco is a very good tool. Skype is extensively used to conduct seminars, webinars and meetings. Then GoToMeeting is a powerful tool that actually people use extensively to actually use this tool between the host and the attendees who want to actually attend the webinars. Then you have the Google Hangouts, extensively used to conduct webinars. Then you have Adobe Connect. These are the various tools that actually provide a lot of features for you to interact, communicate and engage with your audience. As far as webinars are concerned, you can do an audio webinar and you can do a video webinar, and these are all what webinars are all about, and this is a very good content marketing strategy. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is what is a webinar, how webinar works, and webinar tools that you can use to interact, communicate and engage with the people and conduct the webinars. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.